Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something to unbox with you. I have something to unbox with you. That's something I bought. Let's unbox it together, guys. And boom, 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 boom. That is a pot. This is a pot, guys. Pot for my cooking, for my YouTube cooking. Yeah, I need a bigger pot. I hope this is not smaller because I don't want small pot. I want bigger pot. So if it's not big enough, I have to return it because I need something that will be enough when I'm cooking. I cook in bulk, not small. So let's see. There are two here. There are two here. Look at it. Do you know this pot? This pot. I don't know if you know it. The name is Goldmann. It's a Goldmann Dutch quality control. So let's see what is inside it, and that is 28 times 12.5 cm. That is 6.5 liter. I don't think it's big enough because I need big pots. So let's see, it is 2 in 1 anyway. Let's see what I have here, guys. I'm going to take it easy because if it's not what I want, I have to return it, guys. So, boom. Okay. Look at it. This is not actually what I want. It is small. If you see me cooking in my kitchen, there's a big pot I used to cook all the time. I have a lot of pots, but that one is big enough for me. That's why you see me always using that pot. So I thought of getting another pot bigger like that. That's why I saw this pot. I said, let me get it. But it is too small for what I need. Look at it. It's 28 cm. This is too small. I'm going to return it and see if I can have like 32 or 34, if there is something like that. So if you are watching this, if you are selling pots, you have a round pot like this that you can use to cook and make a video. People can see everything in your pot, not the one that have a big mouth. I have big mouth, long mouth pots, but I don't like to use it to make videos. So this is not what I really want. I'm going to return this back, and it is 2 in 1. I bought it in Amazon. In case if you want to buy, you can as well patronize them. I will add their link also here. In case if you need this kind of pot, if you are a small family, you guys know that we are 6 families, yeah. And because of that, I need a bigger pot. When cooking, I cook in a bulk, not small. And when I cook, I put it in my freezer, and I may not cook in 1 or 2 days, and that helps me a lot. I'm a mom, I'm also a worker, so I need to cook in bulk. Look at this, is small. Let me show you the other one. This is one of it. I get the other one. Okay, look at it, just like other one. Look, just like the first one I showed you, just like that, the same color. I wanted to have 2 of them so that I can be, using them to make, like, if I'm cooking rice stew, I'll have a round mouth pot. Unfortunately, I'm going to return it. I'll look for the link and also add it here in case if you want to get something like this, you can as well get it. And there is other thing that came with this. Look at this. This is torch. I bought this torch for someone in Nigeria need torch from me when I traveled. He said he needed something torch. I say I'll buy it. When I see somebody who's going back, I will give it to the person. And what I bought again is chai seed. Guys, I like to drink chai seed. I have learned to drink it. The one I bought before helped me a lot. Chai seed has a lot of benefits. In case if you like chai seed. I'm going to add the link. Can as well get it. This is bio chai seed. It's organic. Protein, oil, omega-3 and fiber. This is 1000 gram. 1000 gram. So what again I have here? This is my cream, guys. This is a body cream. I've unboxed this cream here before. I unboxed it here. This is so good. Vino Gold is a beautiful cream. In case if you want this, I got like 4 this time around. I do buy in bulk and keep it and be using it small. The one I bought before just was finished, and this is what I have today to unbox with you. And what I have here, okay, this is the handle of this pot. They added it here. I'm going to put it when I'm going to return it. I'm going to return only the pot, but my creams is going to be there. So I got this from Amazon. So guys, let me know if you do buy in Amazon, or do you like this pot? What do you think about this pot? Should I keep it? If I keep it, it's not going to serve me well. Then why am I keeping it? I need bigger pot, like something like this, just to add. If there is something like 32, 34 is what I want. I like the pot. The pot, the pot or the pot. The pot is very quality pot and very good. You see, they say it's Dolce quality. That means it's Dutch quality. Dutch have a good quality in things of kitchenware, whatever. Dutch things is going to be used to be strong something, and the name is Goldmann, guys. So, and yeah, eco-friendly, so on and so forth. Guys, I bought these particular things you saw here in free prime. That 2 3 days ago, Amazon, they are doing prime day. So because of the prime day, I was trying to buy pots since then. I saw that they are in prime day. I say, okay, let me get this particular pot and other things I needed so that they can ship it for me as prime. I joined the prime for 1 good month. So after 1 month, I don't know if I can continue because I don't normally buy in Amazon. I don't normally buy there. And maybe I continue with them. So if you do buy regularly in Amazon, better to join Prime to give you free shipping all the time and also fast delivering. Yeah, so that is why if you do buy things in Amazon regularly, you can join their Prime. Okay, and this is what I say, let me unbox with you. So if you are cooking channel, if you are into cooking channel, check if you like this pot. What I cook here on my channel sometimes is what we eat by ourselves. I don't just cook it because I want to make video. I cook it for my family, and that's what I make for cooking. When I cook for my family, I record it and post. And I also do unboxing. I do unboxing plus a review of the products. I do blogs. When I travel, I do some blogs. I do a lot of things on my channel. It's a lifestyle channel. So let me know if you like what we do. Kindly subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.